Chapter 3, Part 69. Sultan Beled is also reported to have said, "My father told his disciples that I was 7 and my brother Alauddin 8 years old, when the Dizdar Bedruddin Guhertash had us circumcised at Qara Hisar." He is also reported to have declared, "When the Sultan invited my grandfather to Konya, a year passed, and then the Emir Musa invited my grandfather to Larenda, and took my father to be his own son-in-law, so that I was born in that town." And we're recounting something that's at variance with what's mentioned in the preface, which makes Alauddin and Bahauddin have been born at Larenda before Jalal, and his father went to Konya. Moreover, their mother, Gevher Khatun, is there said to have been the daughter of Lala Sharafuddin of Samarkand. Is that an alias of the Emir Musa of the present anecdote, or did Jalal marry 2 ladies of Larenda at different times? There are several difficulties here. Sultan Beled puts only 1 year as the difference of age between himself and his eldest brother. If the daughter of the Emir Musa was the mother of both these brothers, Jalal's stay at Larenda must have been about 2 years at least if they were by different mothers, and born the one before, the other after Baha Beled's settling at Konya. There must have been a greater difference in their ages. Jalal's age at his marriage is also variously stated. These discrepancies show that the anecdotes were collected from traditions of various sources long after the events recorded, and they're, yeah. Well, if we were honest about like the Bible, you know, there's a lot more contradictions, and you don't know who the authors or who the books that they compose things from are. Well, I mean, there's some knowledge of that, but you know, as long as they're trying to be accurate,